In this video, I will share this experience of building a successful online business with the help of AI and getting clients in just 29 days. Provide a technology for converting visitor into customer and using AI to save the time and money. You are probably wondering now what the business is all about. Well, let me tell you that I started an online agent to help an Instagram user decide or redesign their profile. However, even if you have the best business idea, it will be worthless if there are no demand for it. So that was a first step, verifying the idea. I first went to the Facebook ad library to check if there were ads running for similar product, and I did actually find a store promotion and Instagram profile template. The ad have been running for a few days now, which is a positive sign because they won't keep spending money on ad if they're not making sales. I then searched for the products on East and looked at some of the top listings, and I find that many of them have a good number of reviews, and importantly, they are getting a new review consistently on the daily basis.